huge mistake when preparing for power outages is wasting your savings on dangerous gas generators that store explosive fuel in your garage. The real secret to complete energy independence, especially when the grid goes down and leaves everyone else in the dark, is to trick the energy flow and generate unlimited electricity yourself using this hidden method. I'm going to show you exactly how this underground system works. This is the energy grid, the beast that's designed to control you, and this is your home, the victim they're bleeding dry every month. This is your freedom right here that they don't want you to have. We're discussing the secret connection between the utility company and your appliances that creates this massive vulnerability they exploit. I'm getting up close so you can see exactly where your bill starts. There's a critical flaw in their entire system that we can exploit completely. The current system is like a one-way street designed to steal from you continuously. Imagine a taxi meter that never stops running even when you're not moving. That's exactly what your electric meter feels like, constantly draining your bank account. Now rate hikes hit like a sledgehammer. Imagine the CEO took an industrial vacuum and sucked every dollar out of your pockets, completely drained your life savings. Your bank account is getting destroyed and beaten to death. The worst thing you can do is ignore this crisis. Lock yourself into permanent dependence and compress your freedom until you're completely trapped. That's going to accelerate your financial ruin and destroy everything you've worked for. If you distract their rigged meter and create your own power loop instead, it results in unlimited free electricity flowing into your home 24/7. The system I'm revealing here reduces all the crushing load on your life so you can finally thrive, eliminates panic during storms and blackouts forever. The first thing you need is this no-bill blueprint, and I'll drop the link in my bio immediately. I don't care if you use old car batteries or brand new ones from the store. The critical thing is getting this exact setup right. That's the required step to redirect massive power directly into your home, bypassing their control completely. This is extremely important. Number 1, it works in complete silence so nobody knows what you're doing. Number 2, it operates automatically without any gas, fumes, or maintenance. I'm not using expensive solar panels that break and fail. Right now, my wallet stopped bleeding money every month. How often should you run the system? 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days per year automatically. The incredible thing is, this feels like you're breaking the law, but it's 100% completely legal. I've had friends use this for just one billing cycle. They literally hold up their $0 bill and start laughing uncontrollably. It's absolutely amazing. It's like heavy shackles were removed from their wrists and they can finally breathe again. For people drowning in severe debt from utility bills, this is the only way out of that nightmare. You don't have to suffer and struggle anymore. You can build this at home starting today and be free forever. Click the link in my bio to see the complete video breakdown.